gonna be funny. Little more enthusiasm over there. I know that's what you want because Santa told me. Oh man.
Isn't there something else that goes with them?
Whoa.
Wow,
Cool.
jammies. Woo!
Something to relax in. Is that got a hoodie on it?
Grandpa, I think there's something else that goes with that.
Oh yeah, their slippers goes with it. Oh, I forgot. I should have told you that.
Darn it.
I forgot. Sorry, girls.
Oh, well, now that you guys know.
Hope they're the right size.
Yeah.
They match with them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they match.
Yeah.
I think. Hope they're the right size.
Yep.
Eee, poo!
Yeah, you can always give them to the mission. If
Oh,
they
Grandma, you gotta
fall
go help.
down.
Wait. Can you get it?
Grandma, you want Grandma to help?
You don't need Grandma to help.
Yeah, because Billy's gonna get hers open first.
Okay.
Pull the paper. Just pull the paper.
Rip that paper. They're just shoes. Slippers, I mean.
Keep talking.
Oh, I'm sorry. Not taking a picture of
Careful.
Take it together.
Of course.
Oh.
Here.
Look at Brianna. She just goes bottom.
Yeah.
Are they the right size? Those ain't slippers. That's
They
the wrong
sure
box.
aren't. Go thank Grandpa.
What? I'm my way. I'm my
Are those the right size shoes?
foot. Yep.
Whoa.
Show me.
They're iPod touches, Mama.
Wow.
Daddy, see.
Their iPod touches.
Oh my goodness.